All right, what's up, guys? So today we got a 2019 Yamaha R6 with the full titanium Akrapovic exhaust. It's one of my buddy's bikes. He's over there, Swello R6. He's gonna do a couple flybys. This thing is so freaking loud. Like, this is one of the loudest bikes I've ever heard. And this thing's an R6, man. This thing it sounds so good. Shoots flames, shit's a little piss missile. So he's gonna do a couple flybys from over there just so you guys can hear what this exhaust sounds like. Hey, go ahead and start it up for him. Here's a quick startup. Bike's warming up, it's probably been up for a while. A little light revving. Alright, so right now he's going to do a little flyby so that way you guys can hear what this exhaust sounds like. Alright, here he comes. Damn, that shit sounds fucking nice. So that's pretty much it. 2019 Yamaha R6. Full titanium Akrapovic exhaust. Thing sounds so nice. It's like one of the best R6s I've ever heard. But yeah, that's it. Let them know. What do you think of the bike?
It's alright.
Yeah, it's alright. It's time to get him an R1. But yeah, thanks for watching.